question number 2, C. Matching. Number 1, 1 day equal to 24 hours. Number 2, AM, anti-meridian. Number 3, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Number 4, shorter hand equal to hour hand. Number 5, 365 days equal to 1 year. Number 6, minute hand equal to longer hand. Number 7, 1 week equal to 7 days. Number 8, leap year equal to 366 days. Number 9, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Number 10, post meridian, we will write in short form PM. Now question 3A, add 5 hours 35 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. So first we will arrange it in a vertical column, hours, minutes. 5 hours 35 minutes, then 3 hours 45 minutes. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Then 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 hours 80 minutes. So 80 minutes is greater than 60 minutes. So we will separate it. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 8 hours, in bracket we will write 60 minutes plus how many minutes are left? 80 minus 60, that is 20 minutes. This 60 minutes we will convert into 1 hour. So 8 hours plus 1 hours. In bracket we will write 20 minutes. So 8 hour plus 1 hour we will get 9 hours 20 minutes is our answer. Now number 2, 7 hours 30 minutes and 6 hours 40 minutes. So first we will arrange in a vertical column, hours, minutes. 7 hours 30 minutes and 6 hours 40 minutes. So 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 hours 70 minutes. So here 70 is greater than 60 minutes. So 13 hours 60 minutes. How many minutes left? 70 minus 60, that is 10 minutes. Now the 60 minutes we will convert into 1 hour. So 13 hours plus 1 hour, in bracket we will write 10 minutes. So 13 plus 1, that is 14 hours 10 minutes. Now number 3, 4 hours 45 minutes and 9 hours 25 minutes. So hours, minutes. So 4 hours 45 minutes, 9 hours 25 minutes. So 5 plus 5, 10. So 0, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 9, 13. Now 13 hours 70 minutes. 70 is greater than 60. So 13 hours 60 minutes. How many minutes left? 70 minus 60, that is 10 minutes. The 60 minutes we will convert into 1 hour. So 13 plus 1, 14 hours 10 minutes. Number 4, 2 hours 50 minutes and 7 hours 30 minutes. So 2 hours 50 minutes, 7 hours 30 minutes. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 hours 80 minutes. So 80 minutes is greater than 60 minutes. 9 hours, 60 minutes. How many minutes left? 80 minus 60, 20 minutes. 60 minutes we will convert into 1 hour. So 9 plus 1, 10 hours, 20 minutes. Now question number 3b. Answer the following from given pictograph. Number 1. The following pictograph represent number of students of class 3rd who come to school by different modes of transport. So here modes of transports are given: bus, car, walking, bicycle. Then number of students, how many students are using different modes of transport. Now here key is given, one symbol represent 3 children. One symbol equal to 3 children. So for bus, how many children are using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 symbols. One symbol represent 3. So 7 3s are 21. Now for bus, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 symbols. One symbol represent 3 children. So 4 3s are 12. Then by walking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 3s are 18. By bicycle, 1, 2, 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now we have to answer the question. From the following, answer the following questions. Number 1. How many students use car for coming to school? So how many students are using car? So that is 12 children. So we will write 12 students are using car for coming to school. Now next question. Which of the mode of transport is used most? So which mode of transport is using more by children? So that is 21. 21 students are using, that is bus. So bus is used most. Now number 3. How many students use bicycle for coming to school? So in bicycle, how many students are using? 9. So 9 students are using bicycle for coming to school. Now number 2. Different number of plants were planted by the students of a school on 6 days of a week. This is shown in following pictograph. So one plant represent 10 plants. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So 6 days. In Monday, how many plants they planted? 1, 2, 3. One symbol represent 10 plants. Means 3 is there. So we will multiply by 10. So 3 10s are 30. On Monday, 30 plants are planted. On Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 10s are 70. 70 plants. Then on Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 10s are 60. Now Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 10s are 80. On Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s are 40. Then Saturday, 1, 2. Means 2 10s are 20. Now from the pictograph, answer the following questions. Number 1. On which day were the maximum number of plants planted? On which day maximum number of plants are planted? So on Monday 30, Tuesday 70, Wednesday 60, Thursday 80, Friday 40 and Saturday 20. So on which day? That is Thursday. 80 plants were planted. So in answer we will write on Thursday maximum number of plants were planted. Now next question, number 2. Find the total number of plants planted during the week. So full week, how many numbers of plants were planted? So we have to make it full total. So first Monday, how many plants were planted? 30. Then Tuesday 70. Tuesday 70. Then Wednesday. So on Wednesday 60. Then Thursday. On Thursday 80 plants. Then Friday. On Friday 40 plants. Then Saturday 20. On Saturday 20. Now we have to add. So 0, 3 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So 290 plants were planted during the week. Sorry, 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. 300 plants were planted during the week. Now number 3. On which day were the minimum number of plants planted? So on which day minimum number of plants planted? So that is on Saturday 20 plants. So answer on Saturday the minimum numbers of plants were planted.